Today I am here with the new topic of non-for-profit organization, that is calculation of amount of expenses to be debited to income and expenditure account. Problem number 1. In the year 31st March 2020, salary paid amounted to rupees 2,04,000. Calculate the amount chargeable to income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020 from the following additional information. Prepaid salary on 31st March 2019 rupees 24,000. Prepaid salary on 31st March 2020 rupees 12,000. Outstanding salary on 31st March 2019 rupees 18,000. Outstanding salary on 31st March 2020 is rupees 15,000. To solve problem number 1, we have to follow some rules. Rules are: current year outstanding salary will be added, previous year outstanding salary will be minus, current year prepaid salary will be minus, previous year prepaid salary will be added. To solve problem number 1, we have to follow these rules. Now see the solution of problem number 1. This is solution of problem number 1. Salary paid during the year is 2,04,000. Outstanding salary of current year always add होगी, previous year outstanding salary हमेशा माइनस होगी. प्रीवियस ईयर का जो प्रीपेड सैलरी होगा उसे आप ऐड करेंगे और करंट ईयर का प्रीपेड सैलरी ऑलवेज माइनस होगा. देन वी विल गेट 2,13,000 rupees. 2,13,000 rupees is the amount of salary which is paid by the NPO organization, and the amount which is paid by the NPO organization is expenditure for the NPO organization. Thus it will come expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Now come to current year balance sheet and previous year balance sheet. Current year means to say 31st March 2020 and previous year means to say 31st March 2019. Outstanding salary for the current year will come in the liability side and prepaid salary for the current year will come in the asset side of the balance sheet. Similarly, prepaid salary for the previous year will come in the previous year balance sheet and outstanding salary for the previous year will come in the liability side of the previous year balance sheet. This is question, do it yourself. Similar to problem number 1, solve this question. If you have any doubt, text me on my WhatsApp number. Now come to problem number 2. Calculation of amount of income to be credited to income and expenditure. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 में हमने एक्सपेंडिचर का ट्रीटमेंट समझा था. यहाँ पर हम इनकम के ट्रीटमेंट को समझेंगे कि इनकम के ट्रीटमेंट को सॉल्व करते समय हमें कौन कौन से रूल्स को फॉलो करना पड़ता है. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 इज हाउ आर द फॉलोइंग आइटम डील्ड विद while preparing income and expenditure account of a club for the year ended 31st March 2020. Previous year means to say 1st April 2019 and current year means to say 31st March 2020. Previous year locker rent, outstanding locker rent is 4,600 and current year outstanding locker rent is 6,300. Advance locker rent of previous year is 3,000 and current year advance locker rent is 4,000, and the locker rent received during the year ended 31st March 2020 is rupees 52,000 rupees. To solve problem number 2, we have to follow these rules. One thing you should remember, outstanding locker rent is income for the organization. It means to say locker rent is the income for the organization, and the income which is outstanding is also known as accrued income. To solve the problem number 2, we have to follow some rules. Current year outstanding income always add होगा, previous year outstanding income आप माइनस करेंगे, current year advance income आप माइनस करेंगे और previous year advance income को आप ऐड करेंगे. यहाँ income का मतलब locker rent से. Now see the solution of problem number 2. This is solution. लॉकर रेंट रिसीव्ड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर इज 52,000. हमने करंट ईयर का जो आउटस्टैंडिंग लॉकर रेंट है उसको ऐड किया है और प्रीवियस ईयर का जो आउटस्टैंडिंग लॉकर रेंट था उसको माइनस किया है. सिमिलरली हमने एडवांस लॉकर रेंट ऑन 31st मार्च 2019 को ऐड किया है और एडवांस लॉकर रेंट ऑन 31st मार्च 2020 जो करंट ईयर का है उसको माइनस किया है, एंड देन वी विल गेट 52,700 रुपीज. 52,700 rupees is the amount which is received by the NP organization as locker rent, and it is income for the NP organization. Thus, it will come in the income side of income and expenditure account. Now come to the balance sheet of current year. Advance locker rent is liability for the NP organization. Thus, it will come in the liability side of the balance sheet. And outstanding locker rent or accrued income, both are same, and these are the assets for the organization, and it will come in the asset side of the balance sheet. Similarly, in the previous year balance sheet, advance locker rent is liability, thus it will come in the liability side, and outstanding locker rent is assets for the organization, that's why it will come in the asset side of the balance sheet. This is question. Do it yourself. If you have any doubt, you can text me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.